worn out, isn't it?
I think you're almost worn out.
That's because you almost got a foot to the face, huh?
I know, I can get it high enough. The trick is which way I have to move it to keep it from bonking the baby.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Are you done yet?
I am. Not sure he is.
Nope.